The 5 best AI tools for mathematics. If you're studying math, teaching it, or just struggling with tricky problems, you know the feeling of being stuck. Forms change, concepts shift, and one misstep often leads to a dead end. What if you had an AI tool that helps not only compute the answer but show you the path, visualize the idea, and support your thinking? Today, we're counting down the 5 best AI tools for mathematics, from number 5 down to number 1. At the end, you'll know which one could truly support your workflow. AI Math Solver and Calculator, AceMate style. At number 5 is a generic but powerful option, an AI Math Solver and Calculator that lets you upload screenshots, images, PDFs, or type in your problem and get step-by-step solutions. These tools cover algebra, geometry, calculus, word problems, and more. Their strength is accessibility. You don't need to guess formulas, you just input the data and let the AI digest it for you. The trade-off, because it's quite general, you may not get deep insight or full interactive tutorials. Ideal user: students who have homework questions, teachers prepping review materials, anyone who wants quick support on many problem types. 4. Symbolab step-by-step AI math explanation. Number 4 is Symbolab, which focuses heavily on detailed walkthroughs. You enter expressions, equations, or calculus problems, and it breaks them down step by step, explaining logic, transformations, and how each move leads to the next. The advantage: you actually build understanding rather than just see the answer. The limitation: it's less about free-form exploration or tutoring and more about logic for non-problem types. Ideal user: learners who want to deepen their understanding of how the answer works, not just what the answer is. Double 3. Mathway, comprehensive coverage for many math levels. Coming in at number 3 is Mathway, a tool that covers math topics from basic arithmetic to statistics and calculus and supports multiple input formats. The strength: you have one tool for many levels, which means you don't need a new app for every course. The drawback: with breadth sometimes comes less depth in any single topic compared to specialized tutors. Ideal user: students in high school or early college who span multiple math courses and want a single assistant that adapts with them. 2. Photomath camera first and visual learning support. At number 2 is Photomath, which you can snap a photo of handwritten or printed problem and get step-by-step solutions plus visual explanations. It's perfect for students who don't want to type long equations or struggle with input formatting. The advantage: intuitive interface, visual learning, immediate feedback. The downside: when problems get very complex or outside the standard formats, its interpretations may be less precise. Ideal user: learners who work via handwritten notes, worksheets, or want a quick visual companion to their studies. 1. Wolfram Alpha computational knowledge plus deep math support. And the number 1 spot goes to Wolfram Alpha, often regarded as the gold standard for computational mathematics and math reasoning. This tool supports everything from algebra to advanced calculus, statistics, and even mathematical theory. It steps on simple problem solving. It gives insights, visualizations, parameter sweeps, and more. The biggest advantage: depth and versatility. The only limitation: it may feel overwhelming for users new to advanced math or those just needing simple homework help. Ideal user: serious learners, educators, researchers, anyone working across multiple levels of mathematics or needing robust analysis, not just solution. Conclusion: there you have it, the 5 best AI tools for mathematics. From the number 5 to Symbolab's detailed explanation at 4, to Mathway's broad coverage at 3, to Photomath's intuitive flow-based input at 2, and topping the list with Wolfram Alpha for depth and versatility. Each tool addresses a different type of need: quick help, step-by-step understanding, broad subject range, visual access, or deep computational power. Ask yourself, what's my biggest math challenge right now? Is it getting answers quickly, understanding the steps, covering multiple courses in tool, working with visual notes, or that to advanced material? Once you know that, choose the tool that fits the gap and let AI help you move from confusion to clarity. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.